Hi guys, in this video, I will show you how to use VLOOKUP in Excel from one sheet to another sheet. As you can see, I have two sheets. The first one is the student result, and the second is student record. Now I want to get the obtained marks of all students by students' names from another sheet from the student record using the VLOOKUP table. So let's get started. First add is equal sign. Next, type VLOOKUP. Then start parentheses. Now first you need to add lookup value, because I want to get obtained marks by student name. So my VLOOKUP value is student name, so I select any student name. Then add comma. Next you need to select the table array. As you know, I want to get obtained marks from the student record. So my table array is student record. Select the whole table, and then press F4 from your keyboard to hold it, and then add comma. Next, you need to add the column index number. My column index number is 3. Because in student record, the obtained marks are in column 3, so I type 3 and then add comma. Next, select exact match, or you can also type 0 for exact match. Then close the parentheses, and then simply press enter. And that's it. Now you don't need to apply this formula one by one to all these students. Just simply drag it from the corner and apply it to all students. And that's it. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like.